At 4, focused on you.
The showdown between the Missouri Attorney General and St. Louis Circuit Attorney moved into a courtroom today. The case could determine the fate of Kim Gardner's legal career. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Kelly Jackson.
And I'm Mike Bush. Kay and Brent have the week off. Attorney General Andrew Bailey claims Kim Gardner is not doing her job and should be removed from office. The hearing is still underway right now, and our political editor Mark Maxwell joins us live to explain what's happened so far. Mark.
Mike and Kelly, good afternoon. The courtroom was packed today as people filed in to see the opening salvos in this unprecedented court battle over control of the Circuit Attorney's office. Kim Gardner did show up in person while her lawyers advocated, urging the judge to throw the whole case out. Missouri's Attorney General Andrew Bailey did not make an appearance in court. We understand he is nearby, but it was lawyers in his office that said this case should go forward to evaluate whether or not Kim Gardner has neglected the duties of her office. Judge John Turbitsky, who's appointed to the bench by Governor Mike Parson, has not issued any rulings just yet. He's still hearing arguments over whether or not or how much of this case should go forward, but just the line of questioning from the judge appeared to indicate he's open to some portion of this case to proceed. Gardner's lawyers said none of the accusations the Attorney General has made so far actually go beyond showing anything like above just what would be a mistake or staffing struggles. They say none of the accusations meet that high legal bar to actually kick her out.
This is an attack on the democratic process by someone who was never elected. And if Mr. Bailey doesn't like the job Ms. Gardner is doing, that's his right. That's his First Amendment, his right under Article 1 of the Missouri Constitution, and he can support a different candidate at the next election and hope the people of St. Louis agree with him. But the law of Missouri doesn't allow him to do what he's trying to do here and use this court to oust Ms. Gardner for stuff that he disagrees with.
Mark, do we have any clarity on how many documents or subpoenas the circuit attorney has to comply with for this to go forward?
The two sides, the two different lawyers, had to go into a separate conference for about an hour to start duking all of that out. Gardner's lawyers have argued if they just hand over all of the documents the Attorney General has required or requested so far, it would be a massive burden on an office that's already struggling just to show up in court to administer justice, as it were, already. So that fight is undergoing right now. The judge said he's willing to whittle down the scope of this search. They were just recently looking to see what her parking pay stubs were, and the judge said that might not be relevant here. But we're learning a lot more in these closing hours. We expect the hearing to wrap up here any moment, and we plan to hear from both sides, the Attorney General and the Circuit Attorney, in the next hour or two. Live downtown, Mark Maxwell, 5 on your side.
And stay with 5 on your side for continuing coverage of the